In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix camera icon missing on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. I'm gonna show you two different solutions, guys, and the first one is using search. So if camera app icon is missing on your device, then the first way you should try is just swiping down, just like that. That will bring up search, and then here just search for camera in this way. That's how we can easily find camera app if it is not disabled on your iPhone, and then we can long press on it and then we can drag it to place it anywhere at our home screen or at that bar. However, guys, it also might be a situation when you are trying to search for camera app via search and it is not displayed here, and in this case you need to head over to settings. After that, go to screen time here, then tap at content and privacy restrictions, and after that select allowed apps and features. If camera option here is disabled, like in my case, it means that camera app is currently not allowed on your device. It is actually hidden and we cannot find it via app library and via search. And then to activate it, just tap right here. After that, it may take some time, around 5 to 10 seconds, for the camera app to appear at search and at the app library. As you can see, camera app icon has just appeared here at the navigation bar. However, if on your case it's not here or at any of your home screens, then use the first method. Just swipe down here and then you will be able to find it via search. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.